This is the fourth in a series of videos for the History 103 course at the University of Maine. At this point, you should be fairly comfortable working with Social Explorer. Using this program, you have seen how data from sources such as the U.S. Census can be used to analyze patterns in history. It is important, however, to understand where this data comes from. That is what we'll be dealing with in this video. As you can see, I have already created a map showing the percentage of students in school out of our larger free population aged 5 to 19 using data from the census of 1850. You should know that what we will be looking at can be accessed from any of the decades that are dealt with in this course. I'm going to start by selecting the Information button next to the Change Data button. It shows the selection I made to make this map, which you can see under the Change Data button. Under that, it also gives the option to select Open Data Dictionary. What you see here is an explanation of where the information on our map comes from. The survey, which was the census of 1850, the data set, and the table, which was the category selection I made to make the map. By clicking on the name of the table, I can see the table details, which show the breakdown of the category. You should pay attention to the notes at the bottom, which give insight into the data. By reading the notes, we know that the student not in school is a computed number. The number was made by subtracting the number of students in school from the total free population aged 5 to 19, meaning census takers did not specifically record the number of people aged 5 to 19 who were not in school. Now, looking into the individual data categories is a great way to improve your understanding of your map. The Social Explorer also allows you to look deeper into the census as a whole. By selecting the survey, I am brought to the survey details. Now, there is a lot to look at here, but in particular, I want you to focus on Measuring America, the decennial census from 1790 to 2000. From here, you can select census questionnaires and instructions. This page offers you a brief history of each of the census undertakings. For many, you can see the instructions that were given to the people who performed the census taking, as well as a depiction of the form used. My map used data from the census of 1850, so I am especially interested in what the 1850 form looked like. Below, you can also see the questions written out. At this point, you have seen how data categories vary from year to year when you are making your maps. So this page allows you to look into each of the censuses and perhaps make some sense out of the differences between them.